Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn any new programming skills fast. First, identify the core concepts of the language or framework you are tackling. Don't get bogged down in every detail initially. Next, set up your development environment efficiently. A smooth setup saves hours. Finally, start with small, manageable coding projects to apply what you've learned right away. This hands-on approach builds confidence and practical understanding. Consistent practice is key to rapid skill acquisition. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding. Consistency beats sporadic long sessions. When you encounter errors, actively debug your code. This process teaches you problem solving and deepens your understanding of how things work. Furthermore, build projects that solve real-world problems, even simple ones. This practical application solidifies your knowledge and makes learning more engaging and relevant. Leverage the wealth of resources available to accelerate your learning. Always consult official documentation first, as it's the most accurate source. Supplement this with high-quality tutorials. Engage with online communities and forums. Asking questions and helping others reinforces your own understanding. Don't be afraid to seek feedback on your code from experienced developers. Their insights can highlight areas for improvement and introduce you to best practices. Learning programming is a continuous journey. Regularly review and refactor your existing code to improve its efficiency and readability. This practice hones your skills and keeps them sharp. Always be curious and explore advanced topics or new features as they emerge in your chosen field. Staying updated is crucial for long-term success. For those who love to learn and read on the go, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep building and growing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.